My approach with chronic fatigue in the beginning was this was something that I have to tackle versus this is something that I need to ease into and get grounded with and understand what's happening in my body. So if I could go back in the very beginning, I would have had a much more relaxed and trusting sort of approach to it. The other thing I would have done differently is not compare myself to other people's progress, because so many people are at different states initially, and you see some people maybe staying the same and progressing slower, and some people having, a different experience. And I think that just sitting with where I was at, eventually I got there, but in the very beginning, it was like too much comparison. So I don't recommend that.
I love the tackle versus ease into it. One comes with like this harsh mentality, like there's something I've got to beat or tackle. And when we come in from that place, it's good for an hour for a football game or a basketball game or a netball game. But after that, it's kind of like, that's pretty damn exhausting to have to do that 24/7, right? Versus easing into it, it's flow. It's total flow.